Hello everyone, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are here to talk about something extremely crucial for every business owner, overhead costs. I am sure you have heard the term before, but do you know what it exactly means? And more importantly, do you know how it can affect your business? Well, if not, don't worry, because we are going to break it down for you in this video. So let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of overhead costs in business. Overhead costs, also known as indirect costs, are the expenses that are not directly tied to a specific business activity, product, or service. These include rent, utilities, insurance, and administrative salaries. Generally, these costs do not change significantly as the volume of production or sales changes, making them fixed costs. Understanding overhead costs is a crucial part of running a successful business because they directly impact your bottom line. 2. The different types of overhead costs, a comprehensive guide. There are several types of overhead costs. We can categorize them into three main types: fixed, variable, and semi-variable. Fixed overhead costs include expenses that remain constant regardless of the level of production, such as rent or salaries. Variable overhead costs change directly with the level of production, such as utilities or raw materials. Semi-variable costs have both fixed and variable components, like a vehicle's cost, which includes a fixed depreciation rate, and variable operating costs. 3. How to calculate overhead costs, step-by-step explanation. So, how do we calculate overhead costs? First, you need to identify all the indirect costs associated with running your business. Then, you add up all these costs to get your total overhead cost. Simple, isn't it? However, to strategize and plan around overhead costs, we often calculate the overhead rate, which is your total overhead costs divided by direct labor or material costs. This rate tells you how much overhead costs you have for each dollar of direct costs. 4. Importance of overhead costs in business planning and operations. Accurately calculating and understanding your overhead costs is critical for strategic planning, pricing products and services, and understanding the overall health of your business. Overhead costs can make or break your business if not managed properly. If your overhead costs are too high, you may not be pricing your products or services properly to cover these costs, which can lead to a loss. 5. Strategies for reducing overhead costs, practical solutions. Reducing overhead costs can significantly improve your profitability. Some strategies include renegotiating contracts with suppliers, optimizing energy use, leveraging technology to automate tasks, and outsourcing non-core functions. In conclusion, understanding and managing overhead costs is a crucial part of running a successful business. It directly impacts your bottom line and the overall health of your business. Hopefully, this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of overhead costs and how to manage them effectively. Before we wrap up, I'd like to remind you to hit that subscribe button if you found this video valuable. Our goal is to provide you with the knowledge and tools to help your business thrive. So, stay tuned in for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and remember, managing overhead costs effectively is a stepping stone to success.